These are the 3 different types of seeds that come in the variety pack. You have the catgrass sweet oat seeds, the catgrass barley seeds, and then you have the catnip. And I haven't planted this one, but I've planted the barley and the catnip, and both of these had really high germination rates. They grew really well, and here's how they look. These catnip seeds have grown really well. I've been really happy. I did follow the directions on the back of them. So I put these ones in the freezer for about 24 hours, and then I soaked them overnight as well, which the package said to do. And then these right here, those are all my catnip seeds for this common catnip here. And then this is another variation that came in the pack. These are the barley seeds for the catgrass. These grew extremely fast. They were super easy. I did not need to prep the seeds in any way. I just put them in this pot, watered them, covered them with just a little bit of soil, and they all just sprouted up super, super fast. So these have been great. I could probably even give it a little bit of a haircut. But yeah, very happy with how these took.